Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna to show you reflex demo. Reflex, reflex demo about the CRUD for the database. CRUD demo for the reflex. Okay. Right now this is I'm running the code of the CRUD. All the source code can hear reflex playground, reflex dash community dash examples. Everyone can share your code here. No repetition. Only show your version is important. Okay, just show refresh demo here. Refresh demo for the CRUD here. Okay, and then run one another example. Okay, right now you can see different kind of application. Different kind of application is running, but they are using the same database. Okay, just create user. You can see create user, and we can. This is read user. Okay, actually they are the same because read user is just get data from database and show on this UI. Okay, I can delete last user. Delete. Okay, I can also delete in another place. Delete last user. Okay, delete. Update last user. Okay, you can see it's change, and here is change. Update last user. Actually, it's only updates into the editor name. Okay, create user. Update last user. Delete last user. Delete last user. Delete. Create. Update. Create. Okay. Right now you can see all the data. They are CRUD in this place, and what the code look like here. Here in the code you can see here, and I just write a simple code for this. Okay, this is update user. How to write update code is here. Actually, you just need to query first, and you need to have a session and then do the one query and update the object and then send commit. All the thing will be update, and this delete user. Query first and delete the object you want to delete, and add user is here you can see. Just make a object and add a new object. Okay, and the tick. The function of the tick is just synchronize the database data together for every 500 milliseconds. Okay, and in unknown we run the tick, so it's keep update. So that's why two page can synchronize the data. So the data they show on the page is the same as to the database. Okay, so this is how code going on. And where to download the code? Here in the refresh playground, refresh.playground, refresh.community, there's examples. In here there are lots of examples shared from the community, and here is different to the official website. Official website always maintain the latest version of the code, and in here you can share any kind of version you want to share. For example, reflex-hellodb it's shared in what kind of version you can see. In this version, it denotes that reflex should use the 0.2.0. In this version, you can run this code. So when you want to share your version, just lock your version on your requirements. Okay, for example, we can see the IoT MQTT examples, and you can refer the requirements first. Okay, this is what package the project need to install, and the version should be locked for reflex. And you can lock your version and share it so everyone can reuse your resource there. Okay, today I have show you how to do this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Delete user. Okay. Done. I finish it. And close my. Bye bye. See ya.